Say hello, world. Hello. Say my name is Shyla, and I like to suck on my hands, and I like to poop, and I like to cry. Say thank you, everybody. That's all the time. Yeah. Say look at all my fat rolls. Say you're so chunky. You can call me Fat Mama. Fat Mama. Fat Mama. Fat Mama. And I look like I got a big head, but it's really not that big. It's all an illusion. Don't believe the hype, people. Hey, what are you looking at? Looking at the scarf? Huh? Look at my scarf. Oh, look at Shyla sitting up. She's such a big girl. Look at that. Shyla. Uh-oh. Looks like we're going forward now. Whoa! Say nope, we went backwards. We went backwards. And she goes down. And she goes back up. Yeah. And then she goes forward. Oop! And then side. And she's all tangled up in the blanket. Hello. Shyla. Do something. Do something for the camera. Oh, turbulence. And these are our limbs.